Watch out, Elijah, you. I need to like wash my hands.
For the 199 ready, 199.
Oh yeah.
Say thank you. Whoa.
Here he comes. Good job, buddy. Where's Isaiah? Okay. Hi, Tracy. How you doing?
How are you?
Good. About you?
Good.
Good.
Yeah, young couple from Mexico, so I'm happy for him. He's pretty excited. Pretty excited. It's about a new up-to-date fish finder right away. Fish by boat is 2012, so they've come a long way. Well,
then I had him over the week to the police in Paris. And right after that, Jack Starkman Jr. called me. He says, "You got the title for this?" I thought, the thing is, I didn't know.
Love this Dodge truck. Wow. Very nice.
No. Do you know what happened to me at school the other day? I was helping pick up wood and there was just piles of wood. And all of a sudden, and twice the back. Took a couple deep breaths. He's like, okay, I can hurt. Stacking the wood again. And then all of a sudden, as I went to take a couple pieces, a mouth was in it. And I jumped and I
Quit. Yep. I'll see you later.
Got a pretty good line here at Gordy's.
Doing that on purpose. Breakfast next.
The flag in there.
Hey, we gotta leave the rocks there. We have to leave the rocks there. Flavors.
Got to get Gordy himself here.
I want strawberry. No, blueberry.
Wait.
No, I want. Oh no, I want.
Hi, Elijah.
It depends if you want chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
I was like strawberry. Hey, look at that rock. You just haven't done it so much. You want fries?
Alright, so I want a blueberry shake.
Let's do like the big thing of fries.
Yeah, the box.
And then probably some onion rings.
Yeah, of course. You have the half one.
That looks good. Yeah.
Yum.
Order number 165-3165.
Dudes, this thing really turned out nice. Really nice. Love it.
I'm gonna keep going. I gotta fill this up. 67.
Red or blue?
That's a pretty car. It's a beautiful car. Wow. That's pretty cool too.
What kind of car? I want to drive.
I don't know. Does it say on the back or anything?
Mama wants to drive that one.
Vehicle. It says something, but I can't really read it.
Fast.
Huh, probably.
Maybe it goes up in the sky.
It looks like it could. Put some wings on it, huh? Wonder what kind of car this is.
It's a tri-muter.
Tri-unit?
Muter.
Tri-muter.
Yeah. It was
Nice.
in Mechanics Illustrated in 1980.
Oh, is that cool? What year is it then?
Well, I bought the blueprints in 80.
Mm-hmm.
I completed the car by 85.
Nice.
And
So you've had it for a lot of years.
yes, over 40 years now.
That's really cool. Wow. It's got to be fun to drive.
Yep. Cruises at 65 miles an hour.
Yeah?
So,
Wow.
yep. How fast does it go? 65 is top end.
We said we think it goes in the sky.
Put some wings on it, it would, huh?
Secret wings.
Cruises along.
Yeah.
It's got a Volkswagen engine in it. And then
I thought that's what it was. Yeah, that's cool.
And the rear suspension is Datsun 510.
Huh.
Do you fly it up in the sky? No, I drive it down the road.
It's like a little kid.
Go stand by that.
You like that big truck?
Turn around, Zay. Put your. I know, but put your sleeves back in your shirt. Come on. Stand by your brother.
That's got to be fun to get up and in.
Jeez. Elijah, look at Mama. Elijah, look at Mom. Look at me. Smile. All right, no touch, Elijah. No touch. Bro, the tires are bigger than me. Isaiah, you're going to look back at these pictures and think, God, I look ridiculous not smiling. Elijah, that wheel's bigger than you. Don't touch, okay? Okay, Isaiah.
I wanted to rip it off.
That is big.
See, if you would smile, it'd be great.
What's it look like inside, I wonder?
We could put it on your TikTok or something. Be like, actually got a good picture of it.
Yeah, this is cool. Nice and straight, too.
You are taller than the tires.
You get the 67 over here. Huh?
He really wants to drive in that one.
Oh man, I can't blame him. Get this nice 67 here too. Beautiful color on the Chevy truck. He can't believe that truck, can he?
We're looking at ourselves in it.
Oh yeah.
I always laugh because it makes me look like a midget with a big butt.
Pretty cool. I've got to get some more of this beautiful dart too. Very nice. It's beautiful. Look at this thing. Wow. What a beauty. GTS. '68, I think, with their own signals.
He's really convinced he can drive these.
Oh yeah?
Elijah.
Nice.
I don't remember.
Yep, 68 Dodge Dart GTS.
That's the gas tank right there. Isn't that kind of scary to have it right there? What if you scratched it?
Yeah, really. What's he seeing there?
Orange kitty.
Oh yeah?
It has back seats too. How much do you think this car is?
Oh, I don't know. It's worth a lot.
100,000.
Probably like 90K.
Beautiful wolves. I don't know, 74, who knows? Love it though. See if they got the year on the paper here. Was that beautiful?
Yeah, but it's going to be too hot to wear it.
73 olds. El Camino. Yeah.
Oh, price? Okay. 12.
Elijah's rock climbing.
Wait, let me get it. Spider-Man. Hey, Spider-Man. Look up at me. Look at me, Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Elijah, look at
Do Spider-Man. No, like this pose.
Elijah, like this. Wait, no, like, oh, God.
Now look at Mom.
Elijah, do this. Oh. Do this.
All right. Very nice.
Is this one yours? I have a question.
It's beautiful.
What's the metal rod you have sticking out at the bottom? What's that for? Curve finder? Thank you.
Oh yeah? Nice 61.
Look at this pretty one.
Oh yeah?
You're in favor, that's too good.
Don't throw rocks. Put it down.
Not getting sparked here.
No.
Where are you going? Hey, you're going the wrong way. We already went that way. This one. Don't touch, okay? Drop. Said, you're gonna ride in that one here. Drink. There's water in there. So
Oh,
ride
yeah.
in there and drink that water.
Is that what you're gonna do, buddy? Cool.
Funny. You're
Get this nice little Chevy here. Pretty neat patina it's got going.
That will get down.
They're not over the shoulder, they're lap belts.
Yeah, I think got pretty much all of it. Let the kids play in the playground now for a little while. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Here, I think I got them all. Huh? You like this Mustang? Huh? You gonna go play at the playground again, bud? Okay, let's go do it, huh? Yay!
That you learned last time.
Anyway, have a good one.
Hazy.
Thanks for watching.